The Constitution of India came into force on the 26th of January 1950 is a unique and rare blueprint of democracy, secularism, justice, and equality. The Constitution is the fundamental law of the land. Education forms the cornerstone for making the provisions of liberty of thought and equality of opportunity a reality. These provisions aim at fulfilling the aspiration of the people through the medium of education. The Constitution of India was adopted on the 26th of November, in the year 1949. However, it came to effect on the 26th of January, 1950. 26th of January is celebrated as the Republic Day of India. It was adopted by the Constitution Assembly. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, the chairman of the drafting committee, is widely considered to be the architect of the Constitution of India. After the adoption of the Constitution, the Union of India became the contemporary and modern Republic of India. It took 2 years 11 months and 18 days to frame and write the entirety of the Constitution. At its commencement, it had 395 articles in 22 parts and 8 schedules. It consists of approximately 145,000 words, making it the second largest active constitution in the world. Currently, it has a preamble, 25 parts with 12 schedules, 5 appendices, 448 articles, and 106 amendments. The Constitution of India is the supreme law of India. This is a written document which lays down the framework demarcating fundamental basic code, structure, procedures, powers, and duties of government and its organizations and rights and duties of the citizen. The world's longest constitution is the Indian's Constitution. The articles defined under the Constitution of India are taken from many constitutions and ideals of many countries in the world. British Constitution. The parliamentary system of government. Symbolic or nominal importance of head of state. Single citizenship. Cabinet system. Various parliamentary privileges. Bicameralism. American Constitution. Fundamental rights. Independence of judiciary. The principle of judicial review. The post of Vice President. Removal of judges of the Supreme Court and the High Courts. Impeachment of the President. Scottish Constitution. DPSP, Directive Principle of State Policy. Methods of Presidential Election. The nomination of members to the Council of State. Canadian Constitution. The federal system with powerful states. Vesting residuary powers in center. Appointment of state governor by centre. Advisory jurisdiction of Supreme Court. Australian Constitution. The concurrent list. Freedom of trade and commerce. A joint sitting of both houses of the Parliament. German Constitution. Suspension of the fundamental rights during an emergency. Union of Soviet Socialist Republics Constitution. Fundamental duties. The idea of social, economic, and political justice enshrined in preamble. French Constitution. Republican structure. The idea of liberty, equality and fraternity. South African Constitution. Amendment of the Constitution. Election of members of Rajya Sabha. Japanese Constitution. The procedure established by law. Government of India Act 1935. Federal System. Governor's Office. Structure of Judiciary. Public Service Commission. Emergency Provision. 3 lists for distribution of power.